to our Talking Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about understanding words. So a child who isn't saying very many different words may not be understanding very much, because we have to be able to understand words to then be able to communicate using words. So your child might be having some trouble understanding what you're saying if they don't look when their name is called, or they don't turn towards you when someone asks, "Where's mama? Where's dada?" Or if they don't give you something they're holding when you ask for it, if you tell them stop or no and they don't really pay attention. And sometimes kids will pay attention just by the intonation in your voice. So that's kind of a hard test, but I would ask myself some of these other things too, like, do they find their shoes when I ask? Or if I ask, "Where's their cup?" do they go and get it? Or when I say, "Let's take a bath," they run to the bathroom. "Are you hungry?" they go to the kitchen. Do they independently go to the appropriate places for those activities in your home when you mention them, instead of just following you? That would kind of give you an idea if they're understanding what you're saying. A good way to work on understanding words is just narrating your day and what you're doing with your child while you're doing it. Kids don't have a great sense of time, so talking about things that are going to be happening in the future is very hard for them to understand and very kind of out there. So just talking about it when it's actually happening can help them attach that the words that you're using go with the action that you're doing then. Try to use simple language, simple sentences, or just one-word phrases. In the language that you would like to see them use, because this will give them the words that they can then use. Will help them understand more words in context too. So use simple gestures to support your words by pointing or referencing what you're talking about by holding it up close to your mouth and pointing to it. And lastly, a good thing to just try to practice with a kid who's using limited words is just reducing the number of questions, which is very, very hard, and is something that I do a lot, and I'm always having to work on. So don't try to ask them, "What do you want?" Take them to that area. Talk about, "Oh, I see that you're hungry. Let's get a snack. You want to eat." And try to slow down that rate of speech. So reduce questions, slow down rate, and narrating day. Those are our tips for today.